Roman numeral 7 days, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take your dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take your enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that life, hit them strictly with the vibe. Fa, 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 fa. Hey, Roman numeral 7 days, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take your dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take your enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that life, hit them strictly with the vibe. It's a vibe, do your dance, let them watch. She a fan, he a...
Right. My AI just changed. It just buzzed the front gate. Thank God you came. How many more days could I wait? I made plans with you, and I won't let them fall through. I think I lie for you. I think I die for you. Jodeci cry for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller, controller. Yeah, like controller, controller. Yeah. Okay, you like it when I get aggressive. Tell you to go slower, go faster. Like controller, controller. Yeah, like controller, controller. Yeah. And I'm never on a wasting shawty. I do it how you say you want it. Them girls, they just wanna take my money. They don't want me to give you nothing. They don't want you to have nothing. They don't wanna see me find your love. They don't wanna see me smiling back when they pre-knowing I lie for you. Thinking I die for you. Jodeci cry for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller, controller. Yeah, like controller, controller. Yeah. But you can't just diss and come tell man sorry. You can't listen to me talk and go tell my story. It don't work like that when you lost somebody. My old flex is my new flex now, and we're working on it. And that's why I need all the energy that you bring to me. My last girl would tear me apart, but she never wanna split a thing with me. But when it comes to you, I think I'd lie for you. I think I'd die for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller, controller. Yeah, like controller, controller. Yeah. And I'm never on a wasting shot. I do it how you say you want it. Them girls, they just wanna take my money. They don't want me to give you nothing. They don't want you to have nothing. They don't wanna see me find your love. They don't wanna see me smiling back when they breathe. First see the city skylight shining from my room. You're such a sight to see in the month of June. Beautiful like the moon's reflection when it's passing off your skin. And before you let me in, I hear you say, it's been a long time. I say, okay, don't worry, I got you. Do you say, I want some fun? I got you. Do you say some slow? Got that shawty Al Green and Marvin Gaye too. So love you dearly. Ooh, let me love you. know just when to start. And I'll be loving your reaction every time I hit that spot. But it's soft like leather, but the top is hard. Whisper your pleasures and I'll do my job. You're rating intense, girl, let me do what I do. I don't know what's echoing louder, the music or you. I ain't close to being done yet. You're getting real warm, like the coming of thunder, right after the storm. You say, girl, gonna push it to the limit. See, second place, so in the race, I'm gonna be a number one. Here comes the sun. Let's try to taste them all again. As the sound of love makes shades off the wall. Ooh, this might not be in the bedroom, but I'm gonna love you, girl, gently. Ooh, hard as a rock, hard as a rock, yeah. Oh, hey. I'm here to love you, wanna love you, hard as a rock. I love you, gently. You feel me, girl? Hey.
This sun needs to be useful, you guys. I'm trying to shoot for Rabanne, and this one is just doing anyhow, but we're gonna make it work. Stay tuned, stay tuned. Okay, you guys are going to see the BTS. Think that works. Ew. Oh shoot. I have this in my mouth. There's water on my hand. The struggle. Okay, number 2. I don't finish. Hey guys, I just finished and the sun is going down already. I'm just happy that I've done a lot today. Hi guys, how did I not talk to you guys? Like, I did not even introduce this vlog. I think I've not been talking. The last time I picked up this vlog, I was preparing catfish. I'm going to call that thing catfish and fried yam and plantain. Yeah. And this morning had meetings that I needed to attend to. You guys must have seen that. Today is Wednesday and I had to make some, like I had to do some voiceovers for some pending content for my TikTok, and I also had to shoot for Rabanne today. And what else? Yesterday I went to Tesco. I went to get a gift for my niece. Tomorrow is her 40th birthday. My baby is crying. Wanted to get something else. Like I got a dress for her, but I wanted to get additional like toys and all, but I was rushing because Patricia needed to go out and I was also rushing anyways. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys. Did I make a video? I can't remember if I made a video when I picked the dress, but I'm going to show you guys. If you're new here, you're most definitely welcome. My name is Fanny, and please do not forget to subscribe and join our community. This is a very, very peaceful community. We don't used to fight though. Please, you guys should tell them we don't used to fight. Because yeah, somebody dropped a comment on one of my vlogs. I'm no longer pissed. I was angry when I received the message because that day I was on my way to the gym and she said, Fanny, you don't respond to comments. Oh well. Or I can't remember the way she said it. And in my head I'm like, is this person new? Because if you know me, you know that I respond to comments. Like I do take my time to, I might not respond immediately, but I will respond. And you guys need to understand that my life, I have a life outside YouTube. Like I really do. I'm still a student, you guys. I'm still going to work like Abba, and I still have a life of my own, and I still create content for TikTok and Instagram. Like it's just me. I cannot divide myself, so please just be patient with me. If you want to ask me a question and you want like ASAP response, just come to my Instagram or TikTok, Instagram basically, or send an email. I check my email every minute because that is where I communicate with like brands and people, official reasons and all of that. But if you want fast response, Instagram and email, I put it in my description box all the time. So please. So yeah, today I don't know what I'll be doing. This is 12:41. Don't know if you guys can see this. 12:41, but I'm just going to put you guys on. You guys, I'm sweating. I don't even know why I went to wear this, but I am sweating. I need to bathe and yeah, I'm not in my bath. But yeah, I want to also make pancake for, should I call it breakfast, for brunch? And I'll speak to you guys later. Bye to this. I love you people so much. Somebody referred me to a brand. You guys. I love people so much. I don't take you guys love for granted at all. Okay? For somebody to refer you to a brand, trust me, you're doing something right. Put out your content. Put it out. You guys, please put out your content. I don't know. Once we hit 3K subscribers, the plan is to hold a YouTube class. You guys have been in my DM, Fanny, how do I start a channel? How do I do this? How do I do that? I am not perfect yet, and I am not where I think I want to be yet. But I think with the little I know, I can help a few persons to start up a YouTube channel. If you have passion for it, if you don't have passion for it, don't join the class. Do not join the class if you don't have passion for YouTube. But yeah, once we hit 3K, we are having a class, so please subscribe so we can hit 3K ASAP. Okay, to this.
she makes you can't help it but fall in love. The moment she makes you can't help it but fall in love. The moment she makes you shine. Samantha, Samantha, 내가 정말 원하는 건 Samantha, Samantha, just to be loved, 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 that is all, is all. 사실은 다시 다칠까봐 두려워. 사랑한다고 말하긴 참 어려워. Samantha, Samantha, she's got a sweet, sweet heart after all. Can't help it but fall in love. Can't help it but fall in love. Can't help it but fall in love. 눈물마저 사랑스러워. 사실은 다시 다칠까봐 두려워. 사랑이라면 다친데도 괜찮아. Samantha, Samantha, she's got a sweet, sweet heart after all. She's got a sweet, sweet heart after all. tak한 사람만 바라보고 있잖아. 사랑받아 마땅한 그녀.
You guys, ignore how I'm looking this morning. Yeah, my friends asked me to bring pancake to school, and that's what I would do. I enjoy making food or prepping something for food I call my friends. But I'm so tired. I have to, but what to do? No, I did not sneeze inside this whole place. I'm just rushing because I have class by 12 and this is already 11:30. It takes me about 15 minutes to walk to school anyways. Oh, I'm done with the scrambled eggs. Now it's remaining the hot dog. I'm done with this. Is the fastest pancake I've ever made. I'll show you guys in a minute. This is the fastest pancake that I have ever made. No cap. Like I made it two sides, like two in a pan. Normally I make my pancake one. Let us roast our hot dog. Let me show you guys quickly. Can you guys see? These are the pancakes. And this is my scrambled egg. I want to do the hot dog now. Yeah. So that's that about that. I will just quickly rush inside the bedroom to have my bath. Nothing serious because I had my bath midnight. I went to the gym yesterday. You guys must have seen videos. I think I made short videos. You guys must have seen that. So, what that's really So I've packaged them here. This is the pancake. I poured honey inside, and this is the scrambled egg and hot dog. I don't know if you guys can see. I don't want to pour this. This scrambled egg and hot dog. Let's go and beat and go to shop. Camera battery is low. Oh, we made it to school, you guys.
Levels 5
And 6.
Door.
Okay, to press the fire.
Yeah, so before I graduated, I've not had that opportunity.
You guys, there's a fire outbreak in my school. Like, we just finished eating upstairs and we just heard the whole fire alarm and we ran downstairs, you guys. I just feel they should tell us to go home and no more classes. Although I still have class from 2 to 4, but yeah, let's see how it goes. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but unfortunately we could not have classes today anymore. So I'm just going to go home, pick my box and head over to the train station. I'm going to Blackpool because I'm working tomorrow Friday and on Saturday. And also today is my niece's birthday. Did I tell you guys that? Yeah, but I'll show you guys what is in my box. Hi Philman. I'll show you guys what is in my box, like my niece's gift and how I packed other things, because I'm not sure I'll be coming home in like a week time, because from the 31st of this month till to the 20th of April we are allowed to work over 20 hours. So I want to be able to work very well. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll speak to you guys when I get home. Ciao. You guys, look at my stuffs. And yeah, this is my next gift. I got that this really cute card. The bed is really scattered, you guys. This cute card that says niece, time for birthday fun. And then I got her this beautiful dress, like a pinafore. That's what I know they used to call it. What did they call it? Yeah, I got it for her. I wanted to get her one toy like that, but I was rushing, like I said. Then my uniform part, my wallet, my ID and all of that. And here is my skincare, for very regular thing I carried. Then over here I already packed like clothes that I would wear, just staying at my sister's place. Then socks, I took a lot of tampons, and I just want to try to squeeze my work bag in this place so that it will be easy for me to drag this box. And yeah, that's pretty much it.
Down, buzzer beater, do it all now, top corner talking home run, touchdown, buzzer beater, do it all now, top corner like all in, lit the fire when you doubt it now.
Say
Thanks for staying in the house.
happy birthday, Kiki. Birthday princess. Princess. Wait, let me see. Come on.
Stop it, you. You always on that phone.
Give me.
Bicycle.
Ew.
We ate the cake before you.
You guys have eaten the cake. I want cake, Mitchell. I want cake. Like I've been craving cake for a while. What's this?
It's burger gone.
Oh, this is what's the name again? M&S.
I wanted Skittles from I wanted Skittles.
You want the Skittles?
Skittles,
This is our cupcakes. Ooh. Leave it.
I'm stealing that slushy.
My baby. Help me to on this light.
On the light.
On it. Alex, help me to on the light. It's my baby's birthday.
Well, bring it to the fence.
On it now.
It came off. You put it.
Happy birthday, Cleona.
You put it.
On this light for me.
You didn't go. Why did you open it in the first place?
Thank you.
Open some stuff. See now. Look, see.
Let me make a video for you. Okay. Well, let me take a picture first. Sit, my baby. Look at me. Cross your leg and look at me.
Well, I cross again.
Cross again and show me 4. Yeah, my princess. Hold on. Show me 4. What's going on? My phone is not taking picture. I'm coming.
Why is that taking picture?
Again, go back and show me 4. My princess. You know you are so cute, right?
Yes. Because I got the new stuff. I got new stuff.
You guys, this is my princess cupcakes, and Fanny came late to the party, but we are here. That's the most important thing. Hope you guys had fun. Where you went to? Kiki, did you have fun?
Yes.
Oh, easy baby. You had fun, right?
Yes.
Trust you. I trust you to have fun. You had fun, Kiki.
Yes.
Be careful. Yes. Wait, you guys have not eaten birthday rice?
I ate a birthday rice.
You ate birthday rice?
Yes.
I trust her. She'll tell me the truth. What did you put on the table? Kiki, come, Joe. Come and say hello.
Hello.
Say it's my birthday today.
It's my birthday today.
Say I'm 4 years today.
I'm 4 years today.
Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! Mwah. Mwah. I love you.
I love you.
No, let me come and give you your gift, okay?
Okay.
I have a gift for you, okay, my darling?
Okay.
Look at how with that gift.
Collect it.
You have turned it. Okay. Do you love it, Kiki? Kiki, Mimi, let me mute it. You love it, right?
Yes.
Oh, Mimi, help me mute it now. Yeah, come, let me. Come, let me read your note for you again.
Okay.
Stop! I want to read. Hold on, you help me to pour it on now. Just hold on. It says, birthdays are for dreaming, for adventures, and for fun. So make some magic, princess, and have the perfect one. Happy birthday, my love. Happy birthday, Kiki.
It did say this.
Yeah, okay, spray it now.
Is this the
What? It's jam. What just happened?
Do you like it?
Yes, it's jam.
Happy birthday, Kiki. Ooh.
Don't shoot it.
Alexis, you're not the birthday girl. Do you love it? I love you, Kiki.
We love you. That was meant to be a Guys, we should use this. Happy birthday. The mommy.
These ones are from mommy.
I think it's this.
She has some swimwears here. You know she's always going to swimming classes. Oh yeah, Mimi. Yeah. 1, 2, red. Hold on. You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, come.
Okay.
Come.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you, princess. May the good Lord bless you. How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now, Fiona? How old are you now? Oh yeah, answer me. 4 years today. I am 4 years today. I am 4 years today. Auntie Fanny, I am 4 years today. I wish you many happy returns of the day. Long life and prosperity. If.
Hooray!
If.
Hooray!
If, kicking.
Hooray!
Hooray! How old are you today?
4!
4. Give me a high five. I love you. I love you, Kiki. Kiss me. Kiss Auntie Fanny. Mwah. Good girl. Oh yeah. Eh? Come for what? Oh God, what did you write on this boy's head?
What does this read?
Loser, Man City sock. Stop writing on his head. And what did you write on your own head? If this is what these children are doing. What did she write on her own head? Cheesecake. No. Kiki.
Yeah, no, read.
I'm not reading anything.
No, read it out
Clear
loud.
now.
It says Chelsea is the best.
Which Chelsea is the best? This camera is not the tripod. So.
This is my cake. My cake tastes good.
It's permanent. This is a permanent marker.
My cake is nice.
No,
Okay.
only mine is not the permanent marker.
People upstairs.
Marker for me. So now,
Mom,
Upstairs.
use on the rest of the rest of
I like this looker.
the life.
Or this.
yeah, look. I just like.
But I've been having running stomach. And my tummy is paining me since. I want to eat rice now. Kiki. Happy 4 years birthday, okay?
Okay.
Say thank you. I love you, Auntie Fanny.
Take care of you, it's funny.
I love you too. Mwah.
What? I paid off.
What?
What do you go to what? It's the bed. It's
I want to eat first before I go to bed.
okay.
Yeah. Be careful.
Okay.